Hello guys, this is Para James Decoder and this is Parag. Today we are going to discuss our new topic in the Python programming, the dictionaries. In this series, we have already discussed the other data types like list, tuple, sets. Now we are discussing the another different data type which is dictionary. As we know, the syntax for the dictionary is like this. Let's move ahead with the next method. We have the another method pop item dt.popItem. As we know inside list the pop method used and pop method is removing the elements. Similarly these dt.popItems are removing the elements. Now what will happen? Whenever you will apply this method on dictionary, this is dt our dictionary, we have the Parag Swaz Ravi. When you will use this pop item, it will remove the element from the dictionary. Let's see. See, when I run it once, the Ravi 77 is popped. Now I check with the DT in our dictionary, we only remain the Parag and Suhas. Suppose I again run this and check. What will happen? After running this dt.popItem, after removing one item, again if I will run this, it will again pop another item, which last item. Let's run this. See, Suhas is removed. Now we will remain only Parag. Let's check dt. I will run and we will check. See, now only Parag remain into the dictionary. In this way, the pop item is working. This is also a very important method you should keep into mind. Now, we will see how to create the dictionary with different data structures. Suppose here I am given the one example. Let's see this. Here we have given A is equal to this dictionary. Inside this dictionary, what are the elements? First key value is Bobby 45. Second key and value pair is the Hema Salim. And third key value pair is the Harish. In the value we have 10, 20, 30. See guys, these are the very important method. You please understand this. Try to practice this. These are very useful while coding the advanced kind of the programs. So, as we have seen here, different data structures can be given into the dictionary. As we have seen, these dictionaries are the heterogeneous, different data structure can be used. See, we have given here Bobby 45, which is the integer value, single integer value. Also for the key Hema, we given here Salim. Can you see? The Salim is the string. We have assigned this string here. We have assigned integer here. Similarly, for Harish, we have assigned here list with multiple elements. Okay, so whenever now you will call these keys, you will get these values as per the requirement. Let's see. After calling Harish, we will get the list. See. What will this return? Oh, there we got error. So, check. Oh, we did not run this cell. See, I have run now this cell and inside A we will get these values. Okay, now we will see what will this syntax return. We got A of Harish as this list. Similarly, if I will give the Hema, we will get Salim. See, A of Hema. This. What we will get? Salim from this key value. Okay. In this way, the different data structures can be used into the our key value pairs. Now we will check. Next thing, nested dictionary means the dictionary inside dictionary. As we have previously seen that the how we can create the nested list inside list. So similarly, we can create the dictionary inside dictionary. Let's check here. B is equal to Taran. Inside values, we have given another dictionary. Okay, see, this B is equal to, we have given the parenthesis, okay, for our dictionary syntax. See, don't get confused. First we create this B as empty dictionary. Now we will give this inside another key. See, Taran and semicolon. Now we will give the value. As a value, what we have given here? We have given here another dictionary with Adarsh is a key and Samir is a value. Okay, so we have given here dictionary inside dictionary. You can see one dictionary start from here, key value pair. See, with this colon we got this value, and as a value we have given another dictionary. So here another key with dictionary. In this way we can give different nested dictionaries. After running B, let's check what is inside B now. We got this dictionary, nested dictionary. Now suppose we have added one element. Here we can see we have added, we want to add the Tara. We have to see. After running this, we got Taran and others. Output is Samir. How? Because inside Taran we have Adarsh and Samir as a key value pair, and inside Adarsh we got the Samir. See again. Inside Taran, what we have? Key value pair of Adarsh colon Samir. Now we want to get the what is the value of Adarsh. So we will give here this kind of syntax. B is our dictionary of Taran and of Adarsh. We want value for these sequence. What will be? This is Samir. As you can see here, inside this dictionary, we have Taran as a key. This is as a dictionary value. See. And for the others, we have the Samir as a value. To access this Samir, we will go through this syntax. Dictionary of Taran, Dictionary of Taran, hand of others, like this. This will get the value Samir.